Welcome to this week's video, and we're finally checking out the Team GB Olympic 50p coin for 2020-2021. Depends which way you want to look at it. I mean, the Olympics should have happened in 2020, but of course, due to COVID, that got cancelled and is now being held in 2021 this year. And the coin, which the Royal Mint struck, was in the annual sets in January of 2020. But of course it never made it to a BUNC pack or circulation, and therefore they've struck new ones dated 2021 and 2020, but we'll have a look at that in a second. So awesome news, new coin for us collectors, and of course the strangeness of the fact that a lot of us have a coin that shouldn't exist. Weirdly, it's just in the annual sets, but that's really cool. So let's have a look at this coin. As usual, I'm going to get into the packaging. Now, before I actually get into this, I want to know in the comment section below, do you think that the 2020 dated 50p coin is going to rise and rise in value? Because will we ever know the mintage figures on those? I know that they go for a fair price on secondary markets at the moment, like Facebook and eBay, but do you think that it's going to start reaching ridiculous levels of value? But I just want to know that in the comment section below. Now we're going to get into this coin. So we'll start off with the packaging. And as usual, I'm going to go through all of the information and I'll zoom in on each part so that you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. That's pretty cool. If you take some time to read that, there's just some interesting facts there. And then we get a bit of information there about the designer of the coin. And then a little piece there about the coins that no doubt got a lot of people into coin collecting. I'm talking, of course, about the 2012 50p coin series for the Olympics. As hundreds of the very best athletes from across Great Britain and Northern Ireland team up to represent their nation in the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games, now being held in 2021, the Royal Mint has struck this coin to celebrate these homegrown heroes and their inspirational pursuit of excellence. Let's just quickly check out the coin specs. 50p coin. The alloy is Cooper nickel. The weight is 8 grams. Diameter 27.30 millimeters. Obverse designer Jody Clark. Reverse designer David Napton. And the quality brilliant uncirculated. Now let's have a look at the coin. Not perfectly housed in the little capsule, I guess, that it's in on the card, but still, it's a very nice coin, dated 2021. Of course, this is the obverse. 50 pence, 2021, Elizabeth II, and that is in really good condition. And then finally, the reverse of a fantastic design. Team GB, we've got the Olympic rings there below that. It's a dual dated coin, so we've got 2020, and then we've got all of these sports represented in these images. To be honest with you, if I started going through them, there'd probably be a few that I couldn't tell you what they are. Some of them are obvious, and then some of them you can probably just make up. I know that myself and some of the other coin tubers had some fun on a group chat one night, just calling out what we thought some of them were, just making up sports. But that is an awesome coin. Now, we were spoilt when we had the Olympic 50p coins from 2012 or the 2011 dated 50p coins for the Olympics, and great series of coins, great designs, and of course we've had the Team GB coin as well, and now we've got this Team GB coin, and I've got to say this one is probably my favorite. There's just so much going on in it, there's so much detail, and it's such a nice tip of the cap to all of the sports involved. It's just fantastic. And of course, I want to know in the comment section below, what do you think of this coin? Have you bought it? And also, did you get the one that's in the annual set from 2020? Because, like I said, I want to know in the comment section below, do you think that that is going to rise in value? I think it probably will. It'd be quite interesting to see if they do release mintage figures on that one, if they can keep a tab on how many were minted for the sets. But there we go. So like I said, leave that in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.